Your show has answered a lot of questions for me. Thank you for taking the time to post videos. We live in Arkansas and are looking to build a pool. We are looking at a company that does eco-finish. Are there any questions you recommend we ask, not only to gauge their knowledge of the product, its application, and its fit for our needs, but is there anything else you feel we should know?
So I'm a real advocate for eco-finish. We've been eco-finishing pools for 5 years, 6 years now, I think, quite a while. The company itself has been very transparent in its process of learning, of taking a technology which they originally saw used to coat the insides of oil tankers in the oil industry and realized it could be used for pools, and they had to modify and do a bunch of stuff. They've been very transparent about that, which I thoroughly appreciated about them, because it's a new part of an industry, it's a new surface, and there's a lot of things that I needed answered, and they did a pretty good job of answering. So if you're hiring a contractor to do eco-finish in particular, my only thoughts around it are, do they follow the process? And I would be a stickler in asking them, do they do the exact recommended process that eco-finish has done the R&D work? They themselves, the manufacturer, the parent company of the manufacturer is a pool company out of Pennsylvania, and they install $1 million a year at minimum of eco-finish on pools. So they've done all of the research and development in terms of how it's applied. And I wouldn't say grill them, but I would certainly make sure that they've taken the training, that they followed the process, and they've done it. Because here's what we find. If you do exactly what eco-finish says to do in the install process, it works out beautifully. If you cut corners, which preparation is everything, and unfortunately we live in a world where everyone wants to cut corners to make more money, when you cut corners with this product will fail, likely. So what I would do is I would question them, how long have they been doing it, what's their success rate with it, is there anyone that you could talk to potentially that they've done work for, that you can go visit the surface. If you're really concerned, go visit the pool, but make sure they follow that process, because the guys that are following the eco-finish process to do it are having tremendous success. The guys that are trying to make money real quick and fast and furious are not having great success. So I think that's what I would do, is find out how invested they are in the product itself and how much they've done in the research. And then I think you'll know pretty quickly, based on their answers, as to whether or not they're the people for you.